Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Text-to-Image Generation. Prompting for Visuals. Imagine you could type a sentence, and a computer instantly creates a beautiful image based on your words. That's text-to-image generation. It's like having a super fast, incredibly versatile artist at your fingertips. From an astronaut riding a horse on the moon, to a vibrant coral reef with glowing fish. You provide the description, and the AI brings it to life. For developers, this means we're accessing a powerful new API, an interface where our input is text, and the output is a visual masterpiece. Think of the text-to-image AI as a black box. As developers, we don't necessarily need to understand every intricate brushstroke or how the AI learned to paint. What we do need to understand is how to communicate with it effectively. This black box has an input, where you type your instructions, and an output, the image it generates. Our job is to become experts at crafting those instructions, much like writing clear code for a function to get the desired result. The prompt is your instruction manual for the AI artist. It's the piece of text you type that tells the AI exactly what you want it to generate. This isn't just any random text. It's a carefully crafted command. For developers, a prompt is like the parameters you pass into a function. The better your parameters, your prompt, the better and more predictable your function's output, the generated image, will be. To get amazing images, you need to be a good director. Think about these building blocks. 1. Subject. Asterisk who or what is in the image. E.g., a fluffy cat, a medieval knight. 2. Action. Setting. Asterisk what are they doing or where are they. E.g., playing a piano, in a futuristic city. 3. Style. Asterisk what artistic look do you want. E.g., oil painting, photorealistic, cartoon. 4. Mood, lighting. Asterisk what's the atmosphere. E.g., dramatic lighting, sunny day, gloomy. Just like writing code, breaking down your request into clear components helps the AI understand your vision better. Once you have the basics, start adding flavor. Use adjectives to describe details. E.g., a majestic golden lion, a serene sapphire lake. Experiment with different artistic styles beyond the basics. Cyberpunk art, watercolor painting, cinematic shot, pixel art. You can also specify qualities like high resolution, detailed, award-winning photography. Think of these as modifiers or flags you'd add to a command line tool. They fine-tune the output. Sometimes, it's not just about what you want, but what you don't want. This is where negative prompts come in. You list keywords or concepts you want the AI to avoid. For example, if your generated images often have blurry elements, you might add blurry, out of focuses to your negative prompt. If you're getting unwanted distortions, deformed, ugly, extra limbs can help. This is like error handling or input validation for your visual generation, preventing common, undesirable outcomes. Just like debugging code, prompt engineering, the art of writing good prompts, is an iterative process. Your first prompt might not give you the perfect image. That's okay. You'll refine it, add more details, try different styles, and experiment with negative prompts. Each attempt teaches you more about how the AI interprets your instructions. Embrace this cycle of trial, error, and refinement. It's a core developer skill applied to creativity. Text-to-image generation isn't just for fun. It has massive real-world applications. Imagine rapidly generating concept art for games, marketing visuals for campaigns, unique illustrations for blogs, or even designing fashion ideas. As a developer, understanding prompting means you can integrate these powerful AI capabilities into your applications, build tools that leverage visual generation, and unlock new creative possibilities for yourself and your users. The canvas is open, and your words are the brush. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.